Feel free to pull anything out to look a little closer. Okay. But there seems to be some cracking in there. I was on this wall, because I thought, well, this is in the house where the whole thing was sinking. There's this crack.
Yeah.
But I don't see that parallel thing working. They did the little test where it goes go out or to go in. But generally, you're in the ABS underneath here that's caught. But like I said, I would expect to see cracking. But like you said, because of the concrete of this, I think it's a little bit better. But under the sidewalk, right here, you can see the material. It's just that
Soil. It's something that seems kind of rather like that.
about for a couple weeks, a little bit of water got in, and a little bit of staining like that.
So the one right there, and then this one's actually just in line. And this, what I realized with garages is it's either a settlement crack or because there's no air conditioning in here. Sometimes that's just where the drywall sheet is met.
Oh yeah. You know, he'll use concrete like everybody else on the planet. My brother put some plastic bush in it. But
Well, the biggest concerns are interior cracking on the slab following the perimeter, but from the inside. So, you know, initial thoughts before all measurements are done are potential settlement of the slab resting on the lip of the foundation, and it's just cracking where it's being held up. But there's also some cracking in the garage, and just a good possibility that this whole end of the house has got some active layer of soil going on. We have expansive soil and a lot of it, so but we don't get a lot of rain. So when we do get rain, that clay, that soil will react dramatically. You know, it'll expand real big when it gets wet, and then as it dries out, it'll shrink and then crack, and then allow avenues for water to get down deeper easier. And it's just a recipe, especially for a lot of these 70s, 80s, 90s built homes where they have a 16-inch deep foundation, small footings. A lot of these active zones of soil we end up finding are 4 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet deep. So the footing has no chance to stop the movement that's happening down there. So yeah, a lot of settlement. A lot of settlement from the clay layers moving around would be our biggest issue, for sure.